A lot of the boys now, we've known each other for 5, 6, 7, 8 years, so there's that togetherness, that feel of everyone heading in the right direction. So as a group of players, we're definitely here as one, and we're definitely looking to achieve something special. Of course, that continuity has definitely helped the players and helped the group. We've bought into what Chris has tried to do, the gaffer, and he's really given the players that faith and that belief in what we're trying to achieve. Obviously, it's not been done for a number of years, so that's what we're looking to do now, and we fully believe we can do it. It's been a progression with the squad, and everyone's been learning and coming together over the last few years, and obviously now we're at a position where we can actually achieve something, which is what we've always wanted to do. We know that going into a game, we're going to have to give our all. We're going to have to do what's required to win the game or get a result, and that is our focus going into it. It's important. I think if we're going to achieve something, that's what we need. We need those players to turn up and to give performances like they can give. And with the group of players we have, I think we'll do it. Everyone has to contribute. Goals are obviously important, but it's about keeping the ball out the back of the net as well, about being strong in midfield. We're winning the battles all over the pitch. So we have players who can do each one of those jobs, and on the night, if we do them, then as I said, we'll hopefully get a positive result. It's a massive group togetherness that we have here, and a desire to really do well for the nation.